Hey, this is Katie with Mountain Stewardship and Outdoor Leadership School, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a midline for an A-frame tarp structure. I'm going to demonstrate on these two trees. Normally, you'd want to find trees that are a little farther apart because you need to fit your hammock and your tarp under it. Your first step is to make a loop. I'm going to use a bowline because that's one of my favorite knots, but you can really use anything as long as it will be secure. So as you can see, I have a loop, and because I used a bowline, this knot will be easy to untie, and this is not going anywhere. Once you have your loop, you're going to thread the long end of your rope through the loop around the tree, like this. So I'm going to take the loop and I'm going to thread all of the rest of my rope through it. Now you don't have to do it this way, you can just tie a loop around the tree, but I like to do this because then you can pull it so it's not going to fall down while you're trying to tie it around the other tree. Next, you're going to make another loop about 2 feet away from your second tree. I'm going to use a knot called an alpine butterfly, but you can also use a trucker hitch or some other kind of knot. Again, the trick is it needs to be a loop and it needs to be secure so that if you pull on any of these strings, the loop doesn't come out. So now that you have this loop, you're going to take the long end and go around your second tree. Now you're going to thread the long end of the string through the second loop. You can readjust the loop if need be, make it straight. And now the fun part. Because of the second loop, this acts like a cinch. So when I pull this string, the whole thing tightens really well, a lot tighter than I could get it by hand. And finally, to finish up, we're going to tie a tension 4. You can pinch it here to secure it while you're tying your knot. Make a little 4, stick the loop through, and tighten it. There you go, there's your midline. And you can see it's very tight, and I would be able to set up my A-frame tarp structure using this as my midline. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie with Mountain Stewardship and Outdoor Leadership School.